Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a quick unboxing of this tool set from Amazon Basics. This is the Insulated tool set, pliers and screwdrivers from Amazon. So this is 11 pieces that includes a few pliers as well. This was $30 from Amazon directly. Let's go ahead and open it. Comes in this little bag. Okay, it's all black with the Amazon Basics name on it, and it says here in the bottom it's 11 pieces. So of course, since it is insulated, it is mainly for electricians, or if whenever you are working with electricity, this would be best thing to do. And it is a high voltage too. On the box it says, let's see, on the box it says 1000 volt. So it is meant for high voltage applications. Like in our case at home, it will be just a standard 120 volts, but this can be used in places where voltage can go up to 1000 volts. I'm guessing that's what the meaning is of that. So that is listed there. So let's see. Well, the handle is nice grip. It has nice grip to it, and it is this nice orange and yellow color with a little bit of rubbery grooves there. There we go. This is the small one. And this is another large one, but Phillips. That first one we pulled out was the flathead. Nice beefy grip, and you can see the insulation is all the way down to the tip. So if the wires or the copper wires touch anywhere here, you are protected. Or you, as the person, touch anywhere here all the way down here, you are protected still. Nice grip. It has nice grip. Okay, so pliers. Nice beefy pliers. The handle, that is. So there is a cutter. Feels nice. Rubbery. Branding on it right here. Big size, or good size actually, I should say. It's not one of these big ones. So here is Linesman Pliers. So Linesman Pliers, usually if you buy, just one by itself, will be about $10, if not more. If it's a high quality one, will be more than $10. So here is one that looks like it's a high quality one. I'm not sure, but looks nice. And this thing, I'm not sure what this is. Maybe you can leave a comment in the comment section and tell us what this is. I'm not sure what this is. I've never seen it used. I've never seen it before. And I'm not sure what it is. It seems to me it could be like one that holds thick cables in place. So you put the cable there and you tighten it, keep it in place. I'm not sure. So maybe you can tell us in the comments. Maybe other viewers are not sure what it is also. Well, there you have it. Very nice set from Amazon Basics. I think $30 is a good price for it. It's comparable to the other brands on Amazon that are the same, if not maybe less quality than this one, and I'm happy with it. So it is good addition to have. I work with electricity often, you know, do home projects, replacing outlets, replacing things like that. So it is good to have. So it is nice. Okay, let me put this back. Well, it's not sitting back. Okay. Well, anyhow, I thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.